Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So we are going to continue on with our Counting on Summer story. Before we get started, make sure you have your vocabulary board. It looks like this. And remember, on our vocabulary board, it has many different details in our story. In the very last row, it has some important tools to help us communicate. So if you need something repeated, so you want something read again, you could say, repeat that, I like that, I don't like that, I don't know, and I need a break. So remember to use these different options on the last row to help communicate how you are feeling or if you need something. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our story. Again, the title of our story is Counting on Summer by Krista Joy. Krista Joy is our author. She wrote the words in our story. Just a few more days and I will be playing in the sun. Counting on summer can be fun. And we have some kids here practicing their counting skills and they're using their fingers to count, and that's okay. Sometimes it's helpful to use our fingers when we're counting. 10 kids jump in the pool. Okay, we see a group of kids in a line here, and they are jumping in the pool to go swimming. 9 pairs of sunglasses are pretty cool. So look here, we have our 9 sunglasses. We can count our sunglasses too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 pairs of flip-flops lined up by the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pairs. And a pair is 2, so that's why we counted by 2. 2 flip-flops were 1 because a pair is 2. But there are 8 pairs of flip-flops lined up by the door. 7 popsicles. I couldn't eat one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 popsicles. I love all the colors we see in these popsicles. We see purple and blue and yellow and pink. A little bit of green. 6 beach balls ready for play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 seagulls enjoy the day. So seagulls are birds and birds fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seagulls enjoy the day. 4 baskets ready for the park. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what might you put in your basket for the park? That makes me think of having a picnic. So you might put a blanket with some snacks, something to drink. So 4 baskets ready for the park. 3 kids will play until dark. 1, 2, 3. It looks like the kids are by the lake and they're throwing rocks into the water. 2 pink seashells I will save. 1, 2. 1 surfer catching a wave. 1. Look at this guy, he's surfing in the water, and that's a surfboard here, the big wave. 1 surfer catching a wave. I can't wait, summer is almost here. But going back to school, I will not fear. So some of us might be excited to go back to school soon. All right, so if we look at our vocabulary board, like I said, these were all the different details in our story. Yesterday we talked about flip-flops and sunglasses being 2 of our stories, being 2 of our details in our story, I'm sorry. Today we can talk about How about swim? Swim. So here's swim. Find that on your vocabulary board. That was a detail in our story. 10 kids jump in the pool because they are about to do what? They're about to swim. And there's another detail in our story that is right on this page. What are these kids wearing? They're wearing their bathing suits. So one detail was swim and another was bathing suit. So those are two details in our story today. The activity we're going to do today is counting on summer, color and count. So you already have the colored version, but what you're going to do is you're going to need to cut out the numbers and we're going to match them to the objects in our story. All right. How many suns do you see? Here's our sun. How many do you see? 4 or 1? Let's count. 1. I see 1 sun. So I'm going to glue the number 1 in the box. How many suns do you see? 1. And here's the number 1. How many surfers do you see? 1, 2. 1, 2. I see 2 surfers. Where's the number 2? Here or here? 2, 6. How many surfers? 1, 2. So we're going to need the number 2. I see 2 surfers. 1, 2. Here is the number 2. How many glasses do you see? 1, 2, 3. I see 3 red glasses. 3 red sunglasses. Our numbers to choose from are 5 or 3. 1, 2, 3. We need the number 3. I see 3 sunglasses. 1, 2, 3. Here's the number 3. How many crabs do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 crabs. Here are our numbers, 4 and 1. Remember, there are 4 crabs. So here's the number 4. We're going to glue it in our box. 4 crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the number 4. How many butterflies do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 butterflies. Our numbers to choose from are 10 or 5. Remember, there are 5 butterflies. So you're going to glue the number 5 in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the number 5. How many flowers do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6 flowers. Our numbers to choose from are 6 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers, and here is the number 6. So we want to have that glued in our box. I see 6 flowers. How many picnic baskets do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 picnic baskets. Here's the number 3, and here is the number 7. There are 7 picnic baskets. 7. How many seashells do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 seashells. Choose from the number 1 or the number 8. There are 8 seashells. So here is the number 8. Let's glue it in our box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 seashells. We're almost there. 2 more numbers, and these last ones are pretty big. How many mosquitoes do you see? Yuck, I do not like mosquitoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 mosquitoes. Which is the number 9? 9 or 4? Here is the number 9. There are 9 mosquitoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 mosquitoes. How many bumblebees do you see? Let's count. There's a lot of bumblebees here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bumblebees. Where is the number 10? Is it 9 or 10? There are 10 bumblebees. Our 10 has the number 1 and 0. That makes it 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here is the number 10. And that is the end of our counting lesson today. So you can go back and go through your book and look at all the different summer items that we talked about. We talked about 1 sun, 2 surfers, 3 sunglasses, 4 crabs, 5 butterflies, 6 flowers, 7 picnic baskets, 8 seashells, 9 mosquitoes, and 10 bumblebees. And you can use this book to practice your counting skills. Great job today, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow for our last lesson on the summer counting. Have a great day.